Hey, hey, Merry Christmas. I don't know how you feel when you hear that, if stress comes into your bones a little bit, thinking about gift giving or shopping or busyness, or if you absolutely love the season and maybe you like do your shopping way ahead, who knows. But I wanted to take a moment to offer some support to you this holiday season. I love helping women pick out the perfect gift for people in their life, whether it's people that are close that you know intimately and you know exactly what they would want, or people who you don't know very well, but you would love to give them a gift they actually enjoyed and not just pick, a random lotion out of the bin at Target. That is what I'm here for, to help you personalize an experience for the person you give to, where they really love what they receive, but even more than that, there's a safety net in case they don't, and something that can really be a genuine blessing to them to receive. And so if you would love someone to partner with you, even helping out with some gift wrapping, I'm your girl. And I'm going to do a series of some videos throughout the season, just highlighting the different things that I offer, and I hope it can be a service to you. So overview for you for today is simply that, number one, every product that you ever buy, whether it's for yourself or gifts for others, is 100% guaranteed. You are not stuck and they are not stuck. So if the shade's wrong, if the fragrance is off, if their skin doesn't like something, they just trade it out. No charge to them or me. And we make sure that they are totally happy. Secondly, I do gift wrapping. And so if you love doing that and you have kind of your own thing, great, that's fine. But if it would be a service to you to receive it looking like this, beautiful, ready to go, then I'm your girl. I would love to help with that. No charge at all. And then thirdly, every gift you give will always include a free New Year pampering session where they can come meet with me one-on-one and have a session, whether they want to do skincare stuff, they want some new fun colors, they just want like a spa moment to breathe after the holiday busyness. That is automatically included with every single gift. And so you give the product that you give, but you're giving more than that. You're giving them an experience opportunity, a probably $100 to $200 value session, totally for free for them, as well as a product that is personalized and that looks beautiful. So I hope I can partner with you, whether for teachers, whether for some of the service people in your life that you just want to give something to, or some people that are really, really close and special. I think I can help. And I would be honored to lift a little load off your shoulders, to help you strategize, help you planning out even your budget and what you want to work within. That's my game, and I'd be happy to help. All right, y'all, have an awesome day, and I'll be talking to you again.